Welcome to Learn with Shift Eco, your gateway to learning, engaging, and embarking on a journey towards sustainability. Our platform offers a comprehensive toolkit designed to guide you in making the crucial shift towards a more eco-friendly lifestyle. From insightful guides facilitating your transition to a sustainable life to enlightening green podcasts keeping you abreast of the latest developments, we've got your sustainability education covered. Access recordings of our past events and webinars, ensuring you never miss a beat, and stay informed with our latest news section, bringing you the environmental pulse from around the globe. But that's not all. We have our coveted monthly highlights where we showcase brands and individuals making waves in sustainability to share their journey and inspire others, as well as guides for you to make the shift to a greener office. Lastly, we have our special feature for COP28, which keeps you updated with the climate conference. Visit www.blogs.shiftco.ae now